To find performing arts subject guides, start on the Allen Library webpage. Scroll to the section called Find Books, Music, Recordings, and Plays, and click the link for subject guides at the bottom. As you can see, this list is divided into sections. So if you're looking for a guide to a particular instrument, you would look at the Music Instruments section. Then find the one you want. I'll click on bassoon for an example. Some of the top resources will be linked directly on this first page. Here you see selected books in the middle and databases on the right. There are also related guides on the right. To navigate the guide, use the links in the contents list or the tabs across the top. I'll go to Technique. And here you see a few of the recommended technique books for bassoon. Then if you scroll down, there are links to search the catalog for more, or call numbers where you can browse the shelves for more, plus relevant journals. Now, back to the list of guides. On the right are other areas of music study, including jazz, music ed, management, and so on. On the left are guides to dance, theater, and diversity topics. Let's open the Diversity in Theater guide. As you can see, it looks a lot like the bassoon guide. There are a few books on this page to get you started, plus related guides on the right. And again, you can navigate with the contents links or the tabs across the top. I'll click the LGBTQ+ tab. And here again, you can navigate with the links across the top or just scroll down the page to see selected playwrights and plays, relevant organizations, research resources, and more. In this guide, and most guides, there will usually be a few selected resources to give you an idea of what we have, plus tips for searching or direct links to the catalog so you can find even more. So if I wanted to find more plays about transgender people, I would click the link to Transgender People Drama, and it takes me to a catalog search of that subject. Remember, the resources listed in these guides are just the tip of the iceberg. Use them as a way to get started, and then ask a librarian if you want help finding more.